Yo! What up, TikTok? What up, YouTube? What up? Let me have a look. Everything's normal. I think everything's normal. Unbelievable. All right. I. You know what time it is. You know what time it is, and if you don't, just literally look at the time. So let's have a look. Top 10 things that make me happy is when my camera goes blurry lots. Alright, what up? Mentorship cats. What up, what up, what up? Good to see you guys. Let me move this here. Alright, man. Here we go. Here we go, you guys. Strap in. It's been a minute. No, I'm streaming every day. Maybe it's been a minute for you being here. Oh, Vanessa. Good to see you. Yeah, only times I don't stream on TikTok is when they ban me. But I think I figured out why they do it now. What's up, you guys? Good to see you. Good to see you in the chat. Good to see you guys. Bay or seal? Bay or seal? Yes, sir. Mummy Tanya. All right, man. Let's do a little bit of analysis real quick here. Nah, it's not because I roast. It's if you ever talk about any promotional stuff. Missed you too. Missed you 3. If you ever talk about promotional stuff on TikTok, they nerf you. All right, 1 hour's doing this, 30-minute doing this. It's still not showing much bearish. Like the buyers just immediately take over. You guys know I don't really do New York. I'm gonna start not on YouTube, but on the mentorship, and I'm gonna start transitioning to doing a New York stream for the mentor cats. But you know, I'll start to build a bit more of a pulse on New York. I got a pretty good idea, but what's his range if we look for sells? Potential sells coming up. We'll see. What's up, Carolina? Thank you, thank you. Bay or seal? Traders Date, what up, my G? Oh, bro, you're going to make me freaking bring up any more videos where I cry? Yeah, you guys can see you guys can see this as well. Bang Bang Banana if you want. That's the account that I'm using right here. Bullinox. Sell or buy. Wow, these people are switching it up. What's the 4 hour doing? The 4 hour's not showing any signs of slowing down. Like the safest thing is going to be waiting for a breakout, but if we get some sort of structure here, we did get some pretty strong bearish volume pushing down just before. This is coming a bit low now. Yeah. We'll see if we get a break below here. It might be interesting. Music question mark? What do you mean music question mark? Oh, actually. As in you want music? All right. I'll do it for tomorrow's vlog on tomorrow's stream onwards. Yeah, I've been meaning to do that for TikTok. Today you have to just listen to me. You trade you trade no news Monday? Oh, I don't even know anything about that. I'll just trade whenever my setup comes. Yeah. My biggest parameters to not trade is just when the setup's not there. Bangin' vlog. Thanks, Mitch. Yeah, I just dropped a vlog on my YouTube channel, you guys, if anyone's interested. Bro, I know, that's what I seen it, Mitch. I was like, fuck, that reminds me of it as well. The visibility. How much you pay rent? 1,100 Australian dollars a week for a 1-bedroom bang banana. How much is the mentorship? Billions and trillions. Man, the last 2 weeks I've made so much money trading, it's crazy. It's actually embarrassing. It really distorts your reality of work to money ratio. You know, back in the day where you think, oh, the harder I work, the more I'll earn. And then you realize, no, I used to be a brickies labourer and made fuck all. Which strategy you use? I use the block strategy because you keep spamming that. Boom. MGC filled that news. Yeah, filled the Newsweek. Why did you cancel the Sunday webinar? Yeah, I just needed more time to do some shit. I'm embarrassed. Do you mind sharing around how much you made? Oh, I mean, not much. Like, probably close to 20 G's, which is like, okay, maybe you might say 2 weeks. It's been under less than 2 weeks, 20,000, about a week and a half. But the thing is, okay, that might not be the craziest money, but the fact of what you actually did to get it is what's crazy. I didn't have to do, like I just showed up here and just showed up in front of the computer type shit. And obviously, like, it's not about that. It's about the years prior that build you up to the point where you can do that. But it's just wild. Hey there, Daniel, for your experience, what can I learn in trading so that I can apply in the market? I mean, it depends where you're at. You need to start from the ground up by the sounds of it, bro. Just jump onto Google, start Googling what is trading. What is trading? I'm also trading a personal account. With Tora Markets here. I put 5 G's in. I put 5 Bangladeshis in. 5 G's. I mean, if I use a 2 lot here, is that... This is Raj's brother's platform. I'm going to have a link if anyone's interested tomorrow, but I mean, I don't even know why but I mean, if I use 2 lots to take a trade, how much is that if I get 20 pips or if I lose 20 pips? You have a red glass. Thanks, Chib. Shades on profit. Yes, sir. What up, Callum? Maybe someone else might be able to recommend something. 4.5 years. So let's see if NQ's got anything for us. I mean, what do you got here? I got 5 Express accounts all up, nearly 500 each. A couple of these Bullinox accounts up, 1.6 or whatever. Let's have a look over here on NQ. Yeah, I was kind of interested in this level here. See how price wants to approach it. As for now, I'm still learning about SNR breakout. Nice, bro. Keep learning, bro. The black votes. Charlie was a great guy. Man, all this Charlie Kirk shit, like, it's like what Tucker Carlson said. He said it actually works inverse. If you try and silence those with the message, it works inverse. It actually makes the message louder. Stupid people. Billions and billions. What is your favorite setup? And you also have indicators. My favorite setup is probably a breakout, just because I've got a soft spot for it because I've been doing it for so long. Please tell me about the mentorship, how to join. Well, you type in Daniel Holmes Trades into, I have a website and shit. Just type Daniel Holmes Trades and you can see my whole shits. But yeah. Why are you wearing orange shades? Isn't it annoying to watch the charts for them? Do you know what's annoying? Being broke and hating your life. So if I'm well off, living my dreams to the fullest extent, but sometimes I have to wear orange shades, that's okay with me. Because when I didn't used to wear orange shades and I used to get up for work every day and I hated my life, I would do anything to wear orange shades. Hey, I'm waiting for my 2 free accounts. Bro, I don't even know what I'm going to do with that shit anymore. I mean, some of you guys have been holding on like it's literally going to change your life, but it's like I was giving away 5K accounts. But I was working with who the fuck was it? I was working with that prop firm, and they promised a bunch of accounts for a giveaway. What the fuck were their name? And we used to call them goats. Oh fuck. I can't remember, but Prop XP, yes, Prop XP, and then I gave them all the details, and then some of these people didn't get their accounts, so I was like, what the fuck am I meant to do? I can't buy an account for somebody because then my card details are on paper on their account. I'm like, I actually don't know what the fuck to do at this point. I feel really shit because I'm like, I promised people accounts, and then they weren't given away. So I'm like, what do I do? I don't know what to do, bro. I'm really sorry. I want to give you your account, but I don't know what to do, man. Graf, it's good to have you here, my brother. No, I appreciate you relaxed. Yeah, it's annoying because I'm like, what can I do? But I was like, I've done it before. I've paid for people's accounts, and then they go, "Hey, bro, like I can see your details are on file. If I reset an account, it goes to your account, your payment details." Like, oh man, I don't know what to do. Yeah, well, I'll have something cooking soon, which you'll be very happy with. Just bear with me another 6 months. Nah, actually not 6 months, maybe 3 months. XP was the best. Aru! What up, what up? Go to link. How many trades do you take a day? 1 to 2 trades a day. That's all that you got to do. Hi mate, do you trade Forex as well? Yeah, this is my personal account. I just put 5 Gs in. This will be a Forex account. 5 G bangers. Yeah, I want to take my first trade on this today and see if I can lose some trades. What's the difference between Express and a Master? Oh, they're 2 different prop firms, bro. Express is just what Top Step call their shit, and Master is what Bullinox call their shit. Everyone see this? Get in before all stores run out or whatever. Yeah, that's right, Niraj. What does this look like on Forex? No, it's still not broken below. So we're in this consolidation range. At least we've got a good range, like a good clear range with clean traffic either side. Your own prop firm. Hey! Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, it's Saturday. Fans from Malaysia. What up, Malaysia? Little Asia. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got funded with Bullinox 2 times, blew it the next day. I mean, that's where their strength as a prop firm come in, because they know that people are going to do crazy shit to get funded. And then when you get funded, you lose the respect for it. So then the probability of blowing it is so much higher when there's no respect. So let's be patient here with gold. It's only like 18 minutes into New York. I saw other creators promote Prop XP2. I don't know what happened. Just, oh, really? To be honest, the owner hit me up the other day about catching up for dinner at the Forex, after the Forex Expo. I said, yeah, I'll be keen, but I don't know if I've got much for him, man. I'm kind of done with promoting prop firms. Like, I'm happy to do promoting them under contract. I'm happy to do like a discount code, just chilling with no like attachment. There's no requirements. That's probably what I'm going to just keep doing moving forward. Can't we just copy him while he's live? Yeah, but then when he loses, you're going to be mad. So there's always that. Why is your master account not green or pink? There's 2 different master accounts. There's end of day drawdown, and then just like the standard one, like option 1, option 2. Suman, what up, my G? Good to see you, cuz. Oh, Bench. Whoever remembers that stream where Bench in the chat said, take a position, then I took a position and we won, and then Ben was a GOAT forever from that day, from that stream. You trade through 3 sessions? Nah, I've ditched Asia, and now I only trade New York and London. Ben Strat, yes. We remember. That's so good. Benzilla. Man, hopefully we get some good volume here in New York. I'm excited for some volume. I'm excited for some volume for once in life. Then you explain this future pair like it's only gold pair, calculate everything pair, need to know pair. I don't know, bro. It's just gold. MGC is micro and then GC is full. Drop a link to those glasses, bro. Just type in $2 pair of fucking blue light glasses and it's probably will come up. Nah, it's actually from a shop called Eyewear, I think. Mr. All Caps. Yeah, Jack. How long did it take for your strategy work or profitable trader? I mean, whatever I say wouldn't really matter anyway, because everyone's different. But it took me ages just because I was stupid. NQ? Nothing on NQ at all. NQ will pop off later. Right? Yeah. Do you think your strategy will work in 3 years later, or the market conditions change? It might have to. It would. There would be plenty of changes. So that's why it's important to show up every day. Over 3 years, we would change with the market conditions. Yes, it would. It works. It would work, because the idea is like, it's not just waiting for like a pattern. It's actually about reading market structure. So like, my ability to read market structure will never diminish as long as I stay practicing the craft. So with the answer would be yes, it would work, because the idea is a candle can really only do so many things. You know what I mean? You can either move up or down. So like, your ability to read that is really where it's at. That's right, Bench. Yeah, like the stream so I can feed mum. You guys, can we get to 100 likes? New York sesh. I don't know how like New York's going to go for views, because I don't do New York very often. Brother, you're the most kind person I've ever seen. God bless you. Bro, how do you know I'm kind? I could be a piece of shit. That's the thing. You got to be careful out in these streets, bro. People can be anything and you wouldn't even know. No. The biggest people you got to be cautious of is those that are really quiet and the really nice guys. It's like, I was thinking about it today. I'm like, nice guy. I used to be envious of nice guys. I'd be like, man, I wish I was a nice guy. I was just like, I grew up in such a fucking rough way that I just never thought I'd be able to be a nice guy. And then I realized nice guys are actually some of the biggest bitches of all time, because they have an internal dialogue, but they're so like insecure that they actually never show their dialogue. They never show authenticity. And authenticity is the highest frequency that you can vibrate at. Because to be authentic means you're open, you're willing to be open to judgment, and you're kind of putting your heart on the line. So it's actually not, it's to your detriment. Like, be careful. Some of the nicest guys are end up being the fucking serial killers. No. Tapping into that frequency, son. Please don't piss Daniel off, because he puts him off trading. Damn, look at this candle. Wow, it's nearly 100 pips. Wow. All right, cool. Buy or sell. You know, I'm gonna add a new bot in that anytime anyone says buy or sell, they just immediately get blocked. Wish I could add that bot somehow. He came bounding over. Trading just like women. Wolf emoji. You know what? I could actually filter that in the comments. You're right. See you later, Vanessa. Bye. Bro, people always say Ryan Gosling in the chat. I've never heard it so many times, except lots lately. What up, Rome? Good to see you back, my brother. How do you scale up once you become consistent? It just comes naturally. That's something I've been saying a lot. It just comes naturally, man. Yeah. Let it come naturally, because if you manually try to make an effort to scale up, you know, you'll start losing trades and it'll start hurting your account, and you'll be like, oh man, I shouldn't have scaled up. Just let it come naturally. Do you still journal? Yeah, I've been a bit slack with it, but I do, yeah. Wow, Seth. Yeah, I've always traded gold. Dropped your message, probably won't read it, bro, honestly. Like, you know, think about it. Yeah, especially when in your bio it says founder of implementing growth solutions for businesses. No, that's all good, G. Appreciate you though. I followed your trading stream for a long time, and I take most of your trades. Boom, I pass my funded. W. I mean, the thing is, I'm not trading for you guys. Like, I'm just doing it. And if you decide to take the trade as well, that's on you. It's none of my responsibility whatsoever. I don't even like to think about it. I was speaking about this on a podcast the other day. I was like, I don't think about anyone else taking the trades. They can do it if they want, but, you know, because some people will trade with money that they can't afford to lose. And it's just like, you know, we'll lose a trade on stream. I'll lose a trade on stream. They're like, dude, that was my mum's fucking, you know, medicine money. And I'm like, well, why are you fucking spending it? Because if you weren't going to do that with me, you were going to do that at the casino or something. Every time price moves around pre-New York, it's kind of fast buys, pace order. Yeah, I don't know, bro. Don't think about it too much. Because you got to remember, what is this that's moving up and down? It's the value of gold. Okay? It's being represented by like a fucking stick. Shit's getting real, yes sir. Yeah, we're going to be patient here, but man, if we could do some sort of reaction off this level. Yeah, blue light bangers. But because they're blue light bangers, but because they're so cheap, they also cook your eyes, because it's like, James, it depends who you're trading with, what firm you're trading with. All right, there's the first 30-minute candle closure, very strong. NQ still cooking up here, some sort of pennant. It's probably going to burst out very soon. Do we want to take some sort of impulse sell on NQ? When does the big burst come on NQ? Is that in half an hour? Yeah, the journal's on a journal software like through Notion. Oh, it's in 1 hour? Okay. How's your relationship going with the Rolex guy? I've been planning to walk back in there. I haven't yet though. I've got other guys that should be able to hook me up though if I want to. Connections, my dude. Have you noticed as you journal, the less you take trades? I mean, I've been journaling for years now, but the idea is to keep yourself accountable, right? And track data, and especially the losses. It's really to build the mindset of like facing the loss. That's one of the biggest benefits. Because it's like human nature to kind of walk away after a loss and just be like, oh, fuck this, and not face it. But when you're forced to face it, you might be able to see some mistakes that you made. Guys, can we get to 100 likes here on YouTube? 72 likes. If we get to 100 likes, shit's going to be crazy. Shit's going to be different. Does anyone ever get a trade at like New York Open to the NYC Open? Is there actually tradable range? Like, do you get trades in that time? I'm pretty sure you do. Mad Lord. Well, I'm glad that you watched it to the end. That's funny. You do dispense it. Okay. Jack, it's funny that you know that, even know where you live in the world. Like, my boy's staying up late to get a pulse on that shit. Nothing beats her. Hey, don't you trade gold? Bro! So yeah, gonna see if this level can get a, if the price can give this level a stab. I think it's manipulation, manipulating time. The G-Wagon, yeah. Soon, my brother, soon. Even though I'm not a big fan of that. Hey, you guys see this? This is the account right here, up here. These are the accounts that I'm trading. This is the code. Crazy code. Crazy code. TikTok, this account that you can see is this account. Crazy code here. Bonkers code. Daniel, I have one question. That was your one question then. Yeah, fair, Jack. What's your favorite car? Probably Lambo. I don't know. I got a fair few. McLaren. Just all the generic ones. Make it, what do you mean, Yeez? Are you being sarcastic? Yeah, I'm live on YouTube right now, TikTok. Full screen, full HD screen. Oh, really, Yeez? Yes? I'll have to play with it after this stream then. Yeah, I'll have to play with it after the stream. All right, let's get rid of this line here. All right, we've got this range now. This is like a 100 pip range, man. 150 pip range, wow. There's a lot of volume, okay. No, don't do an instant funded account, IQ. I'm a pro day trader, hit 70% win rate this month. Good man. Good man. Yeah, there's a couple of things that can happen here and we want to see if we can capitalize on one of them. That's where my head's at right now. Assalamu alaikum, brother. Assalamu alaikum. You guys on YouTube, if you want to join the free Discord community, here's a link. I'll post in the YouTube chat. You guys on TikTok, if you want to come over to the YouTube chat, you can join the free Discord. I pinned it in the chat. My YouTube name is the same as my TikTok name, Daniel Holmes Trades. If you type that in, you'll see I'm live there right now. What up, Richie? Oh, Richie. Tell me what we're waiting for. I mean, I'm going to need to see how this candle closes. This candle is going to give me a big indication of what's going to happen, what I'm going to look for sure. You hate Discord. Bro, Discord loves you though. Just come in for a big Discord hug. Do it. Because hate is just a form of love. So you got to get to the bottom of that. Get to the bottom of it, man, because there's probably something underlying happening there. This candle close bullish? No, I'm a bit sus on buys. The way that it's structured right now, we're moving down. Like in the last hour and a bit, we've been moving down. We haven't really given this level a nudge, which is always suspicious. I was kind of hoping to see a strong bullish candle here. The next one show weakening and rejecting and then sell it back down. I'm kind of interested in sells, to be brutally honest. And if that doesn't happen, if the next one can break below this level and close, yeah, I could be interested in selling it down as well. So there's a couple of things that could happen here. And then for buys, I mean, yeah, again, I really would have loved to see, like, if I was going to buy, I would love to have seen this, a stab at this level. But the fact that it hasn't really tested it is going to turn me off. NAS, sus on NAS as well until stock exchange. Some sort of pennant being formed here. Yeah, whatever, it's going to burst out, that's for sure. 5-minute FVG rejecting. Just getting impatient to get funded. If I pass free trial 2 times in a row, I'm planning to buy 50K funded. I mean, I'll just get cracking away at it now. Like, what are you waiting for? And there's no impatience, bro. If you're playing this trading game with a level of impatience, you're in the wrong industry. This shit takes a long time. Because you got to remember what this industry is. It's an industry to make money. And anytime anything in life gives you the opportunity to make money, especially a lot of money, it never comes easy. Nothing in life presents money easy. So if you come into this game with a level of impatience, be prepared to be humbled very quick by this game. Be prepared to honestly be dropping the soap type shit. What up, what up? I'm doing amazing. Yeah, blue blockers. I'd say 10, Toji. 10 for sure. New York Sesh, yes sir. Couple things in my mind here is like, if this came up like this, the next one tried to give it a stab but failed, then closed back in the range, then I could look at selling it around there, selling it down. Or if it closes how it is now, the next one can break through, which is much less likely to happen, or at least happen in a nice way for us to give us a clean breakout. But if it did, next one week up and then we sell below there. Alternatively, in the shit away, is if it just kind of drizzles down, looks whack like this. Next one, I don't know. We'll see what the market wants to throw at us. Those are a couple things that are in my head. Yeah, we'll see what the market wants to present. And then we'll watch NQ as well. NQ is going to burst out of this unpredictably. I don't know what's going to happen there, but we'll see if something can happen when the dust settles. I wish it did, Martin. That's for sure. Working on your patience every week? Yeah. I mean, again, just remember, like, what you think about FEG on I don't know what FEG is, bro. Just think about what you're doing here type shit. Like, is this just for, like, are you trying to get a win today? Or are you in this game for, like, is this a career, like, is this a career opportunity for you? Because if it's a career opportunity for you, today doesn't matter. You know what I mean? 10 years kind of matters. 2 months of data matters. Even that doesn't really matter. It's like long term. Think long, my dude. Get that long shit up in your... Oh, that sounds so bad. In your head. Thank you, brother. Yeah, I'm in Marina. Just stumbled on your stream. Love your work. Yeah, Christian, I'm live on YouTube as well, and I have a bunch of YouTube videos if you want to jump over there. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy. I'm filming the craziest YouTube video tomorrow. Who knows Alex Hormozy or whatever his name is? He does this thing where like a business owner will come in and he's got like a failing business, and he fucking like kind of lays out a plan for them to find success. I'm basically doing the same thing with a shit trader. So we'll see. In it for life. Good, man. And nothing matters today. All that matters is, are you sticking to your rules? Yeah, but here's the thing, Toji. This is a thing that I hear all the time in my stream is, hey man, I've been using your strat. I've been watching you and Raja. You know, I've had a shit month, but I'm going to keep trying. It's like, bro, you're cherry picking. You're never going to learn somebody's strategy just by watching YouTube videos. You're eventually going to have to buy Raja's course content or join my mentorship to get the actual in-depth, full breakdown of everything. You know, I sell a course obviously in my mentorship, but my mentorship is like, if you go to danielholmestrades.com, it's a mentorship. So you work with me one-on-one, and then I guide you through the whole process of what it, you know, from the start to the finish, basically. And obviously strategy is a component of that. Yeah, there's a lot of guys that are just from like the early days that are really starting to click for them now. Guys getting payouts. Some of the guys in the DMs who I'm not going to share their shit just yet, but they're like getting funded and fucking Static over here getting another payout. These are all guys that are using the strat, right? And the system and the philosophy. I have a good strategy, but I don't have any money to start trading. Can you help me? No. I can help you with advice, and it would just be to get a job. Like, you'd have to get a job. That's the only thing you can do. Where were you 10 years ago? Oh, I was the biggest loser 10 years ago. Yeah, I was the biggest loser. I think about 10 years ago, I'm like, it just feels like a different dimension, honestly. I was on steroids. I was competing in bodybuilding competitions. I was a personal trainer. Had so many flaws and just personality traits that were just so bad, bro. Can you help me as well? I'm unemployed at 20. I went all in on day trading. Help, I've lost a lot of money. Yeah, you're going to need to get a job, bro. Yep, you're going to have to get a job. That's the biggest thing you're going to have to do. Yeah, NQ is just cooking. I'm not interested in NQ for a little while. Where's your Discord? Pinned in the chat. Your muscles, yeah, crazy, right? Nah, Abdul, I had to develop patience over time. What up, Trade Diva? You're going to need to get a job as the most funny shit. I'm Nigerian, cry face. Why are you crying, my G? There are no jobs? Yeah, they are, bro. That's the mentality. Like, that's the reply of a loser. Like, you're going to have to really step up, bro. That was my mentality back in the day. Oh, there's nothing for me. I've tried. Nah, bro. You haven't done shit. Well, I live in Dubai, Sumu. Yo, Dan, can you buy me a house? No, I can't buy you a house, bro. I can't buy myself a house. Did you ever think of giving up on trading? Sort of. I got real emotional lots of times, but I couldn't ever commit. Like, as much as I tried to trick myself into being like, nah, you broke your rules again, Daniel. I remember one time I was like, all right, if I break my rules one more time, I'm quitting. Like, that's the only thing that's going to stick to my rules. Fuck you, Daniel. Like, if you break your rules one more time, you have to quit. And then I did it. I'm like, I can't quit, bro. I can't. I could never. Once I decided, bro, the day that I found out about day trading, I'm not joking, I knew that I was not going to stop until I made it work. I couldn't. There was nothing else. I was like, I was around 30 or 29. I'm 34 now, right? So I was about 29. And I was like, I've tried to find success financially specifically for so many years in so many different areas and never. I've been able to get a lot of shit in life, but I could never get fucking to the bag. And when I came across trading, I was like, this is going to work. And I refuse to not, like, I can't give up. Like, if I give up, I'm not even joking, I would rather, because I'm not having kids, I'm not having a wife, I won't be able to live life happy until I'm financially free. Personally, that's in my heart. I can't take that away. I wish I could, because I know people that can work a 9 to 5 and there's nothing wrong with that. But me, in my heart, I was just like, I couldn't do it. I would rather not be here. So, well, that was my mindset at the time. So I could never give up. I just fucking couldn't do it. As much as I tried to trick myself and guilt trip myself into it. Hey, Dave. Yes, so 10 years ago I was, yeah, it's probably around then, wasn't it? The bridge, yeah. You felt the same, Jack? The thing is, if you feel the same, I personally believe that's from God. I think that God puts that in your heart, and then it's up to you to pursue that. Because at the end of the day, my belief is that God wants you to be the best, most abundant version of yourself. And there's certain like levels that you can get to that are already in your heart. It's already there. It's whether you want to pursue it or not. Because the pursuit of it's difficult as fuck. You have to face a lot of demons on the way. What did you bench on roids? Heaps, bro. I used to punch out 70 kilo dumbbells for incline chest press. 70 kilograms, bro. Each dumbbell. How do I stop revenge trading and over trading? It's difficult, bro. I could tell you all the shit in the world. One, you need a set of rules that you adhere to. But secondly, it's just up to you, bro. That's the issue with it. That's why it's so hard. Only you can change. It's like saying to an alcoholic, hey, bro, like the best way to stop drinking alcohol is like, don't drive past a bottle shop. And, you know, if you see a pub or you know a pub's kind of on the way to work, just go a different road. And it's like, yeah, they're not going to do that. They're just going to do whatever they want until they're actually ready. I have the same spirit of you, so like you, I think I can't stop trading. Well, then you know what to do, my dude. Can't stop either. Yeah, bro, you can't go back. But I decided I wouldn't go back even before I seen the potential. Like I never even made money and I still decided that, no, I can't stop. Now I just wake up, like I obviously have a strict routine, but sometimes I walk around and I'm just like, oh yeah, it's Tuesday and I'm just chilling. That's not normal. Like not even that long ago, I had to go to work. What the fuck? You know what I mean? Yeah, look at this. No bottom wick on this candle as well. What the fuck? I always believed it was real. Why are you saying that, Graph? Someone said that to me in a podcast. The guest said, Hunter said, did you always think this trading shit was a scam or whatever? And I was like, nah, I always believed it was real. What's the key to success in Forex? I'll tell you what the key to success in Forex is. 1, you need a good strategy and system, a proven strategy and system. 2, if you want to speed up the process, get a mentor like myself. I offer mentorship. 3, obviously you're going to have to overcome certain psychological challenges on the market because it's very difficult to figure out. Like, you have to kind of train your mind to get used to losing, which is really like hard. It's very difficult to lose money, but still know that like this is a part of the game kind of thing. And that's probably it. I always spit about the bars about this shit that like you're gonna have to become a certain type of person outside of the charts as well. Like you really can't be a loser outside of the charts. It's just gonna reflect as well. So you're like my big brother. I mean, yeah, but bro, my big brother used to fuck me up, so I might have to bash you if I see you. Trading psychology is what? Yeah, but people say the sentence, any strategy works, and it's like, not really. There's some shit, like people have shit ways of trading, bro, trust me. I think what I do here and what I teach is very good. I think what I teach is very good. We have a very good risk management approach, a very clear outline of everything. If you can really stick to it. Yeah, I've been in the game a while and I've been through a lot of strategies and systems. I think what we've got here is very good. Very good. Only you can save yourself, yeah. What's that website called where you can see when the sessions? Mitch, Baby Pips. And then at the top it says tools and Forex market hours. What's this 1 hour? Oh, look at this 1 hour candle. Very interesting. I was going to say, this is so strange with no bottom wick, this fucking just decided to cruise. Yeah, that's exactly right. Any proven strategy. I mean, the thing is, it just needs to be fleshed out. I say this all the time, but a fleshed out strategy. So you know the risk parameters, it's proven, it's, every kind of aspect of the strategy. The amount of traders I've spoke to and done like one-on-ones with, and they're like, yeah, it just taps in the FVG. And I'm like, well, what about your stop loss? What about these market conditions? What about when this happens? They're like, oh, no, it's all good. I'm like, no, it's not all good. When's this 4 hour close? Wow, the 4 hour's about to close on Forex. Doji, green Doji. That's why it's acting up here. That's why this 15's acting up. This 4 hour just kind of corrected itself. Said, nah, I'm not flipping red. Fuck that. No, I didn't do a breakdown. My trade today was over here. It was a bit of a riskier one. And the profits are so big because I let runners run. But yeah, kind of just this range here. Had a big fucking wick over here to fill. I was anticipating this wick to be filled since last week. We got an opportunity at a higher volume time. It kind of consolidated. Then we got a break above. Pretty simple shit. Break above, retest, entry. Partials get taken up here and then it ran. That's why I was able to capitalize 1,600 over these accounts and then 500 over 5 top step accounts. I mean, what is that? What's 5,500 USD today? What the fuck is that in Australian dollars? That's just wild. Isn't that crazy? Do you know that's more than what my monthly wage used to be? And the shit I used to do for an entire month, a whole month, it's 8K Australian dollars. And I live in Dubai, so I don't get taxed. So 8K in my pocket is 6 weeks of work at one of my old jobs. 6 fucking weeks. And I clicked a button, took a shit, came back, and then closed the trade. Yay! The world's this is just the matrix. All good. Wow. Trading's a scam though. Really, bro? Okay. I'll see you at work tomorrow, I guess. Hey, boss. Oh no, I'm late. Oh, shit. Got a HR meeting about me being late. I remember when I used to be a manager at this gym and fucking, I'm not even joking. I was like 4 minutes late one day and they pulled me into the office for a meeting about me being 4 minutes late. Hey, suck my dick now. Look at me now, mum. Anyway. Oh, fuck. 4 minutes, bro. I will never forget it. And I ended up getting fired because I clashed with the dude a lot. He was just this fat, overweight, sad, shitty person. Like, fucking God give him strength, but man, he was a loser. And he ended up getting me fired from that job. He was a club manager and I was a fitness manager. And at the time, oh, it affected me so bad. I had to move out of my house, live back with my sister. Because it just, like I said, I was a little bitch back then. So I let it destroy my life. It was really my fault, but I guess, yeah, whatever. You're not that guy, pal. HR, yeah. Crazy, bro. Dave. You can lose 8K in a few minutes. I mean, yes, but I couldn't today as well. What I made today would have been, even if I lost the trade, would be nowhere near as what it was here because I let runners run for ages. Thought you were in Brisbane? Yeah, I live in Dubai now. Were you taking gear? Yeah, I was taking gear for 7 years straight, competing in bodybuilding competitions and everything. Yeah, really fucking obsessed, like really fucked my life up actually. I'm not, NQ's not doing anything just yet. Oh, do we have volume now or is it in 15 minutes? Make sure you guys drop a thumbs up on the YouTube stream. Show some love, my dudes. I don't usually do the New York stream. 30 minutes. Oh, it looks like price is probably going to cook till then. I don't know. Why would you move from Aussie? Why would I want to give half of my money to the government? Half of it. Hey, sir, I just made 100,000. Here's 50. Here you go. Oh, where are you spending that? Oh, you know, Greg, the heroin addict. Yeah, he needs to get on Centrelink. Oh, cool. See you. I'll see you next quarter. Yeah, fuck that. Fuck that, man. All right, that's a 1 hour closure. Look at this 1 hour massively rejected here. Maybe we're. It's a shame this green candle's here. Maybe we're back on for buys. That's a 4 hour closure as well on Forex. Doji, green Doji. Yeah, wow. Very interesting. I mean, we'll see, you guys. We'll see what happens here. Nothing's happening just yet. I'm willing to hang out for a little bit and see if something can happen here. All right, bro. I usually let you signal people do this, but you're doing it too much. Blocked. Nah, I don't want to put buy or sell under those lines just yet because I don't know. We could get something happening before it gets set, like before that. Someone just said scam. Yeah, you really want to get around people that are killing it, you guys. You're going to want to get around people that are higher level than you. How long you stream for today? I'm not sure. Yeah, we'll see. Nah, I'm not interested. I don't like this level just here. And I don't really like anything about the 15 at all. I understand the 30 looks all right, but the 15 is just like so confusing. There's no bottom wick as well, which is, I don't really care too much about that bottom wick, but just the structure of this is just nothing here for me right now. Not sure yet, Boho. Just waiting. See how this new 4-hour wants to start to open up. Looks like it's good that it's got a bottom wick and top wick now, which is a good sign. NQ's just absolutely waiting to cook. It's just putting all the seasoning on right now. How many counts have you blown before you became profitable? A fair few, man. Yeah, a lot. Probably more than you would even think. More than... I mean, when I came up in the game, I used to think like if someone blew like 6 accounts, that's crazy. That's like, bro, I mean, 6 per hour, maybe? I don't know. No, I'm joking, but... Sethi Poo. Yeah, make sure you guys drop a thumbs up for the YouTube stream, gang. For the New York stream. Never stream New York. Yeah, legit Shib. Legitity. I mean, I'm trading New York in the mentorship community, but not on YouTube. Yeah. The time in Dubai. It's 5 p.m. Ah, look at this. I might be interested in a sell coming up here. Fill this 1 hour wick. Yeah, I'm very interested in a sell if this 15 can close nicely. If this 15 can close red. I was just trying to get a pulse on this. I felt like something was cooking here. I just couldn't see it. If this can close red, I'm very interested to fill this 1 hour wick. Yeah. The range down here hasn't been filled. Yeah, this is... I see what's going on. I see what's up. Yeah, I see what's up, you guys. Yeah. Yeah, let's really pray for this to close red. It's got 8.5 minutes. Dear, can we buy gold? Dear. Bro, what is it, the fucking 30s? The sun's in your eyes. I know, but it's good. I actually don't mind. I've been inside a lot today. Good to fucking have God's flame touching you. Have you ever worked in Dubai? I've been looking to work. No, I'm only joking. No, but I'm sure you could. It's fine. It's just like anywhere. Yeah, it's just like working anywhere. Watching from Bali, nice. Yeah, we'll see you there soon, my dude. Hold off for a sec on the sell. Okay, sorry. Guys, don't sell. Hold off. We just got the word directly in from the liquidity provider. Could you answer my question? I'm trying to learn. Jasper, it's not about that. Just jump on Google and start typing shit in. Start typing in what is trading, what is this, what is that. You need to learn first before you think about actually putting the trade on. How can I go on a date with you? You need to send a photo to the Discord of what you look like. Discord link's pinned in the Discord link is pinned in the top of the chat. And then when you post it in the page here, then we can make some decisions from there on. One sec. Damn, I'm not even gonna lie. I went to the doctor today to get a prescription for a thing. It's not like it's a health related thing, but it's not bad, and it's nothing to do with mental health or anything. And he said, yeah, take this medication for a month or a couple of weeks. He said, but when you first start taking it, you're gonna feel like really good or like really energetic. And I took it like an hour ago, and I'm starting to feel like weird. I've already learnt market structure and all the basics. Want to know what is... okay. I would say get a cheap prop firm account. Look at the code on my screen. Bullinox. Hi, bro. When the discount of Bullocks? Yep, it's on the screen. Oh, until when? I'm not sure. Today's the last day. I'll say that. Just so you use it. So I make $2. I'll tell you what's in the picture. Travel to where? Sure, where's that? Oh, South Africa. South Korea. Wow. Well, I'm waiting for a photo. I'm waiting patiently. Probably called the SARs. Wait, what? What's a SAR? So can this candle close red, you guys? That's the fucking biggest question. That's a huge question. It's not like it's trying to break above, but it's just not doing it. No, I'm potentially more interested in sells if this closes red. When I move to be in trail, I end up getting tagged out. Yeah, of course you're going to get tagged out when you trail. I never trail. Like I'll close 80% and then just move the next one up. And if it's going to hit it, it's going to hit it. If it's not, it's not. Yeah, I don't trail. Because you're not going to be able to get away with trailing on gold. Gold doesn't move like that. Gold it kind of zigzags a lot. Did NQ drop? No. What does trail mean? I mean trailing your stop as it's moving in profit. You bring up, you follow it with your stop loss. Nah, don't trade options, bro. Don't trade in the range. I mean, why not though? It's a massive range as well. This is these zones are big. Like this is 100 pips down to here. Do you close 5% before hitting your stop loss? No, I don't close 5%. I mean, I might close 50% in some cases, but a lot of the time, you know, you got kind of just got to take it on the chin. What up, Rocky? Come on, Gold. Give us some weight, my dude. Give us some strength. Beautiful. I'll put a note here. How does the sell stop work? You just basically place your order there, and if price comes down and hits that order, then you get tagged into the trade. Come back, Gold. Come back. Come on. Damn, I shouldn't have put that word there. The liquidity providers and ICT, that algorithm creator, is watching. Come on, boy. Stream sniped again, bro. Damn it, we're running out of time. Bitch ass candle. That would be fucking nice. Let's see, I might still be interested. AI bots on this live feeding. Yeah. How's it look on Forex? Yeah, it looks virtually the same. Damn, that's a shame. Do I still want to sell this? It's too risky. It's too fucking risky. I mean, the next best thing, guys, is if this can close red, I want to sell because it's going to be the same structure, but on the 30. See what I mean? If this 30 closes like that, oh, that would be fucking delicious. Be patient, yeah. Because I believe it would still work out, but it would mean you'd be stuck in a trade most likely for a fucking 15 minutes, which is never fun. So in an ideal world, this creates one more top wick, comes down, closes around here. Next one does a bang bang banana and we're off. Yeah, we're going to have to be patient. It would actually work out better if that happened, to be honest, because that would be that 30-minute closure. Yeah, that would actually be better. Yeah, and stock exchange, yeah. Watching between jobs. Ah, nice trail. Good man. Yeah, a bit earlier. The guys, oh, you would have been at work, but the guys ran the stream in the mentorship group. They all caught it as well, actually. Yeah, you guys, so if you go to danielholmestrades.com and if you're interested in one-on-one mentoring, but I'll tell you something about this. We run live streams pre-London, Asia, and New York, and London on YouTube for free. So there's always a stream going in the group. And the guys in there caught the same trade that I caught here this morning, which put these on my funded accounts. Was down here, a buy position down here, breakout, bang, bang. It's a 24-hour streaming service. How do you handle the amount of contracts you use when using a copy trader? Between a 50K account Yeah, I mean, I just worked my way up, build a bigger buffer. So if anyone watching when I started trading Top Step, I wasn't using much size. And then just over time, it just slowly increases as you build a bigger buffer. There's no rush, man. There's no rush in this game. If you can be patient in this game, it will pay off way bigger later. Way bigger. Oh, your big boy. You guys, drop a thumbs up on YouTube if you're on the YouTube stream as well. For the New York stream. Never live on New York. On YouTube. My YouTube channel, it's the same as my TikTok. It's just called Daniel Holmes Trades. If you type that into YouTube, you'll see I'm live there right now. The bone strat. Yes, sir. Nah, I'm not mad at what this is looking like, Pharaoh. There's potential here. If this 30 can flip red on us, there is big potential here. Big potential here. I've seen this many times. Many men. Many men. Yeah, I've seen this many times. It'll be at a high volume time as well. We could really capitalize on that volume and just fucking... I'll be using my personal account. I've got 5K in a personal account. This will be the first day I trade this as well. I'm going to start showing on stream like how to grow a personal account. Because people will think that I'm just a bang bang banana funded guy. Wait till I pull out the persos. Y'all sleeping on the personal accounts. They're sleeping on this chat. I mean, because you could go, oh, wow, look, NQ could break out of this. I don't trust this shit with that volume coming in. Came from TikTok. Nice. Good to have you on YouTube. Sick as. Drop a subscribe if you've never subscribed before to a YouTube channel. Thank you, B. Challenge yourself to grow a $20 account. That's going to be fucking tough. That's going to be real tough. That was my problem when I had my first payouts. As I could get a payout, I took it. And then it was hard to trade because I didn't have a... Yeah, because you don't have the buffer, exactly. And that's okay, Inza. I think that's okay. Like, most of the times when I've blown fundeds was after a payout. Because you're just like, oh man, I want to kind of get it back up to get a buffer on it. And then that's typically when it'll blow. Which is fine. You kind of made your money. What do you mean at Lash? Where did you see that? Why do you prefer Top Stop or Bullinox? I don't like Apex's trading platform. Yeah, I don't like NinjaTrader. I definitely don't like wealth charts. If I had Project X, I'd be more interested. Then you're a time traveler? Why? Why do you not recommend a trailing stop loss? I explained it before. I'm assuming you're asking that because you heard me talking about it before. You would have heard my explanation as well. Yeah. Mondays are not for trading, they said. Your take? My take is just trade whenever the market gives you an opportunity. It's all in your head. It's like saying, oh, if you believe in ghosts. Fuck off. fuck off with your wolf. Why people intentionally lose their trades in order to keep their fundeds. Wait, hey brother, I'm curious why people intentionally lose their trades in order to keep their fundeds. I don't know what you mean, bro. The fuck do you mean? So let's see what happens as this high gets broken here. If it wants to continue up or not. If it does, like, you know, you could say, oh, the 30 was given signs, but nah, the 15 structure here is just not giving me what I would want to be interested in a buy. It could keep moving up here, and then it is what it is. You know, it could move up here and then get to this point, and then by that time, stock exchange comes in, and then it just wicks up and then massively sells off. We'll see. Something about not going into live account after winning too much. I don't know, bro. You don't need to worry about that. Just joined from TikTok. Nice. No, I always started with funded accounts, challenge accounts. What are your thoughts with volume coming in? I want to capitalize on the volume coming in on gold. Yeah, I want to capitalize on the volume coming in. NFP at the end of the week? Nah. Wait, is it? Oh, MFP. NFP. Yay. No, there's no NFP this week. It's the start of next week. Yeah, next week. Is it true that September, hard month, trade? Nah. Imagine being a wolf, bro. Nothing's hard, nothing's anything. Everything's just nothing. Like just just trade, bro. Just trade. You know, Nike just fucking lift or whatever. Mine's just trade. It's an alpha wolf, exactly. Not just any standard wolf, bro. Don't get tricked into NQ, like big volumes coming in here. Good boy, gold. Good boy. Now this price action is interesting. Why'd you start with funded accounts? Because it was broke. And there was a cheap barrier to entry. I know, bro. Like, it literally feels like the NFP streams are just like yesterday. Come on, gold, man. You got 3 minutes. If it doesn't want to play ball, it's okay. We're going to get something in. Now that we're going to get stock exchange open, we should get a ton of volume coming in here. It's valid depending on if this closes red or not. Dude, why do you start your life as a... Yeah, I know of VWAP. This is WAP, isn't it? Will I get nerfed for playing this? My niece was singing this song. Hey, bro. Damn. She's in this song? Damn. All good. All good. 7-year-old niece. All good. Just do it, Mohammed. What's the worst that can happen? How many funders did you blow? Way more than you could ever imagine, bro. Why is bro watching Cardi B? Because someone said, do you know WAP? Someone asked if I know WAP. Everyone's saying, bro, refolk. Yay, TikTok down. Fuck you, Nicki Minaj. Sexual activity. Bro, it's a song. I can't get in trouble for that. Can I get in trouble for that? It's not my, it's on fucking YouTube. It's a song. My 7-year-old niece was singing it. If they put that out in the world for a 7-year-old to sing, how am I getting banned for it as a 57-year-old male? Fuck, TikTok's such a bitch. If TikTok was a person, it would be the biggest bitch. Real ones came from TikTok. Yeah, Gold's been a pussy here, so let's see. Gold doesn't want to play ball just yet. We're gonna have to see how what it wants to do here now. NQ broke above. A lot of green though. Damn. I mean, it's like anytime I show up to stream is when the market goes, nah, let's not do any volume now. Good to have you here, Arian. Shaking their ass on TikTok. Yeah, legit. I'll play a clip for a second. What up, Leo? No, there's no short analysis just yet. I'm going to hang out for this candle, see if it wants to present an opportunity here. If not, I can't be bothered. Right in the middle of this range. I was interested in potential sells, but I mean, the way that this 15's closed, it's... NQ's pushing. Is that all-time highs right there? Yeah. I've lost 1,200 accounts in 2 weeks, 50k accounts. Well, do you know why, Ken? Do you know why you lost them, my dude? That's the biggest thing. Man, there's no sellers in the market. It just keeps fucking failing. There are no sellers in the market, man. 4-hour close in 30? Yeah, on futures. We'll see how this candle wants to develop, I guess. That's all we can do right now. I don't know if it's pure luck. I don't know anything about your trading, that's all. I know, I'm tempted to have a sell stop as well. If this can reject up and then re-break the low, I'm going to sell. Pull back, pull back. Yeah, I'm going to give this a crack. We'll see. We shall see. See if we can get a bit of a wick fill. That's 22 pips, 20. If it re-breaks this low, I might take off some size. Do it, buddy. Re-break that low, motherfucker. Re-break that low. All right, W. Dub City, I'm going to BE, and he is the chosen one. Your boy is the chosen one. Your boy is the chosen one. All right, cool. That was like 24 pips maybe? Did you do that as well, Jack? I was thinking that, and then Jack, when you said it, I was like, I'm going to do it. That's so good. I mean, I didn't have time to do it on my other accounts. I already had it. W. Yeah, nice. I was looking for a sell opportunity this whole day, and that was probably it, to be honest. Walked away for 5 seconds. Yeah, it went pretty quick. Did you catch that, Shib? Look, target tap down here, came down. ST, let's go. Yeah, go to sleep, my brother. I might hang out for a little bit longer. I just want to see if I can get one more set up here on one of these other accounts. W. Winning. Winning. Man, what a crazy day. This crazy couple of weeks it's been on the markets. I mean, you know, you can kind of only get away with this shit with New York Open as well, right? I mean, with New York. Bro, how much you made? I mean, you can see on the screen, what's 1,780 times 2 plus 447 times 5. You do the math, dude. Yeah, exactly. That's kind of where I was at as well, Jack. Really trying to look for an opportunity to fill that range. And that was kind of our chance. That's our shot there. So I think we're going to get another setup here. I really do believe so. Missed it. Yeah, it was really quick. So it was real quick. That was the last decision. Check Shem's post. Let's have a look. Bro. Hey, do you guys on Top Step know if you get that, don't they just give you the account? Like, isn't that close enough? I heard it was like $50 so you can get away with it. Does anyone know about that? That's so fucking funny. What do you mean, Shem? Is that considered past? You guys, big ups to Shem. Shem's in the mentorship. This is his first funded account, you guys. Let's fucking go. Congratulations, brother. First funded account, my dudes. My boy's been showing up to stream every day, showing up to the Sunday seminars, doing one-on-one sessions with me. Big W. W in the chat for Shem, bro. First funded account. First funded account. Purple tip, you just missed it, brother. But we'll see if we can get another one. Yeah, big W's, man. Join the mentorship. I mean, you just type Daniel Holmes Trades into Google, really, if you want to join or if you want to apply. Yeah, going to be taking on a couple more guys soon, or like around now. Locked out till 5. Beautiful. Yeah, lock out. I'll be a little bit more patient here for a bit and see if another setup arises, but if not, I'm pretty happy with that. Beautiful day trading. Break of the low there. That was like a nice impulsive move there. Big range. It was like 30 fucking pips nearly. Would have been about 30 pips. Oh, fuck. Nice. Yeah, good stuff, bro. Sounds good. Really? At stock? Yeah, you want to kind of capitalize on that volume, right? Yeah. Would you look at taking a buy now? I mean, I'm open to it if this can close red. I just don't know if we'll get I just don't know if it's going to present a pretty opportunity at all-time highs with a breakout. Show your bad side. What? Nice, Matt. Yeah, good Monday. If you can finish Monday, fucking, you know, if you can finish the Monday good, you're off to a good start. It depends, Jasper. Just do what you're comfortable with. So I'll let this candle close and we'll see how the next one starts to develop and see if we can get one more here. If not, it's all good. I'm not going to, I'm not going to flex on myself, but I'll be honest with you guys. I've got a lot of guys funded for the first time ever. Not in terms of like, trained them up, kept them accountable, set the system out, and got them their first ever funded account. Not a lot of guys in the industry will be able to say that. It's a pretty fucking amazing thing, bro. I've got to be honest. Because I know it's important to some of these guys and girls. You're next, Seth, for sure. All right, man, let's see what this candle wants to do, my G's. Who's just having money for the mentorship? It's all right, man. Just keep showing up to the streams. Nice. First one, 5K. That's good. Jasper, maybe $30 risk per trade. All right, it's candle closed in 2 minutes here. We'll see what happens. Bullinox has 91% off. Yeah, I know. I don't know, you guys check out these levels here. Bang, bang. Moving forward, these are levels that I'd probably be interested in. I'm personally just going to lock out now. I've already fucking cleaned up today. I'm going to lock out, man. Good little trade there, and maybe pay attention to these levels for a breakout. But other than that, yeah, call it there, man. Lock your account if you're done, and enjoy the rest of your day or night. Appreciate you guys. Thanks for showing up for the New York stream, and I'll see you on London stream tomorrow. All right. Have a good rest of your Monday. Love you, gang. Bye.